Congratulations on your purchase of your new Torque travel trailer toy hauler. I'm going to walk you around, show you a couple basics on this camper so that you can become more familiar with it. In the front here, you've got a power tongue jack. The on and off just simply turns the power onto the jack. The top pushes and retracts it. The bottom extends it. Behind this little cover here, you guys, you just twist to unlock these. And then what you'll find is your auto changeover valve for this. That valve, there's a little black lever there. Whichever direction that's pointed in is the tank, the line that tank's drawing off of. Righty-tighty closes the tank, lefty-loosey opens up the tank. We do have a new deep cycle battery that we do provide you with the camper, that is on the camper. This front compartment up here is for if you decide you want to put a generator in this. This down here is your solar hookup if you ever want to add some solar panels. This is where you connect your water to. This is your freshwater fill. That's just a cap. You put your hose in there. Exterior spray port. This is your city water connection. And these are just flush valves for your various tanks. Your discharge is located underneath here. Your 1.5 inch is your gray and your 3 inch is your black and waste. You do want to make sure that after the first couple hundred miles, you do check your tires to make sure your tires have been torqued again, just to make sure there's no issue with that. On the back of this is your refrigerator panel. There is a plug in there for your refrigerator. It is a gas electric refrigerator. There's your discharge for your 1.5 inch and your black. 50 amp power cord. It does come with the 25-foot 50 amp power cord. That's your satellite cable hookups. And this is where you fill your fuel cell. Okay, this allows the ladder to swing down. All you simply do is pull these pins and that will allow the ladder to swing forward. When you want your door to swing down, simply unlock these, swing them to the side, and that will allow it to swing down. When it swings down in horizontal position, when the cables are attached, that's your patio setup. When you detach the cables and it swings down, that is your position to load and unload. Behind here is your dispensing nozzle for your fuel center. Your hot water heater, really nothing we have to do with this. It's there's a 7/8 inch plug that's in the bottom of this. Let's see if we can take this off real quick and show you that. 7/8 inch plug right down there, and that plug you can remove if you want to drain your hot water heater. This just lets you know your fresh water system has been tested with the hot water. There's water in your tank. Just access to your exterior entertainment center there. These buttons in the corners are your power tongue jacks, your power jacks to just simply put down your jacks in all four corners. Let's go inside to show you some of the basics. Your main control center, you guys, is located right down here. Your slide buttons to slide the camper out, your power awning. This tells you the battery, the level condition of all your various tanks. This will turn on your water pump for you, your water heater, your LP gas, your cap lights, and interior lighting. Keys are located around the kitchen faucet. Let's walk you around, show you a couple things on the inside here. We go to light our stove, real simple operation here. Fold back the cover. What we want to do is, this is our spark igniter. We're going to turn the stove, notice it turns red, to the little flame. We twist. And then we've got our flame. That's simple. Thermostat, guys, when you want to go operate your thermostat, simply hit the power button, it'll turn it on. Hit it again for fan, hit it again for the snowflake. That's your air conditioning. Up and down controls the temperature settings for that. And you hear our air conditioning kicking on for us. We're going to shut that off, hit it one more time, and that'll bring you over to heat. The refrigerator, very simple operation. This refrigerator is a very automated refrigerator. Simply push the button in, that'll turn it on. When you put it on automatic, it's going to go to the most convenient power source. So if you're plugged in, it's going to use your electricity. If you're not plugged in, it's going to automatically switch gas. If you want to force gas, push it out and it'll force it on gas mode. But I would leave it plugged in to go to the most convenient power source. There are directions here on how to operate the refrigerator as well, but it's a pretty simple operation. You've got overhead lighting. You have individual switching on those, or you've got switching right in the center of these. Simply push that to depress and that'll turn that on and off. In your bathroom, notice there's a ground fault plug on the side of the vanity there. If your outlets are ever not working, you do want to check your ground fault plugs. The ground fault plug does have a breaker on it to reset the plug. Very simple. Just simply push the ground fault breaker and it will reset the plug. Okay, you guys, additional control, because you actually have two air conditioners back here. This button will bring the power beds up and down. You do want to make sure that in these four corners, you'll notice these pins. Those pins, when they're in that position, they're pushed in there. That's not going to allow the top bed to come down. You want to pull those four pins if you want both beds to come down. Your table, your multiple tables, your floor mat that comes with it, your table legs. You guys, this is your breaker panel here. The breakers are set for your 110. Your fuses are for your 12 volt. So there you go. That's where you can mount a TV if you'd like. You guys, I hope you enjoy your new RV. We do appreciate your business, and thank you again for buying from Lakeshore RV Center. If you do have any additional questions, we want to be of help, so please don't hesitate to give us a call with any of those questions. You can reach me on my cell phone at 231-740-6225. Thank you and have a great day.